Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is July the 25th, 2022. We're going to talk about Li Auto today. I got a couple of things on the chart, a little bit more information that we can digest and try to figure out what we're looking forward to into the market in Li Auto. Because on my last video, I did not create a price prediction. I wanted to see how strong the market in Li Auto was going to go. You guys can see it went all the way up there, knocking on the door of all-time highs right there around $42. And now we are seeing price come down. So I wanted to come in and speak to each and every one of you as to what I'm looking forward to now and as to what do you all think. All right, so to those who are new, welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I create price predictions. I give you all the news according to the charts. This is no hype, this is no FUD, this is no FOMO. We pay attention to the money. All right, so join me just like all of my day ones who have been supporting me on this channel for a while. So now the last video that I did in Li Auto was actually on June the 20th, right? And this is where the price was when I originally did the market in Li Auto. Price was right here, okay? We wanted to see how strong the market was. We already knew that we were knocking on the door as this prior area of restriction, right? We already knew that. So I said I wanted to see if the market buyers would be able to break price above it, and they did. Right? They was able to push price all the way up here to $42, right? All right, cool. That's pretty good. Now that was a pretty good run up, right? Let's see what it was. That's around 23% run up in the market in Li Auto since I created the video. Excellent job. Well, now we're here today to where price is coming back to $34.50. So we can actually see the market in Li Auto do this to where it just bounces above $34.50 for a while and then eventually continues to move up. That's one scenario. The second scenario would be for the market to break below $34.50. Okay, these are the things that we need to be on the lookout for. We want to see whether or not the buyers are still interested in supporting Li Auto's price right here around $34.50, give or take, maybe 34. Okay, we want to see that. Now the way that we can tell is by looking at the chart in a longer term time frame. So let's look at this on a weekly chart, okay? Because I'm gonna keep it real, I'm gonna keep it a buck. Now look at this last weekly price bar in Li Auto. Okay, let's just take a look and ask yourself the question: does this look like the price is going to continue to go up, or does it look like it's about to break $34? To me, this is weakness. This one weekly price bar literally erased the last 4 weeks of the market price in Li Auto hovering above $36 in 1 week. It's gone. And then on top of that, the market in Li Auto closed at the low of the bar. So that tells me that there's not a lot of buyers into the market in Li Auto. So now that's a negative sign for the buyers. Look at Li Auto here on the 2 weeks. Now we got 4 days and 10 hours left, but currently this still signifies that the market in Li Auto is weak. Even here on the 3 weeks. Okay, this is the 5 weekly chart, 4 days left. Now the market overall is not that massively weak when you look at this from a 5 weekly perspective. Monthly chart looks still pretty weak though. Okay. So in terms of, am I looking for the price in in Li Auto to continue to go up? Not right now. It's just not ready yet. All of these time frames that we've seen already, we don't see any indications of buyers controlling the market in Li Auto. It looks weak. And when we see weakness, we know which team we need to be on. Or if you're trying to be on the buyer's team, then you know you need to wait, because this market here in Li Auto is weak. So we need to try to identify how low can the market move to the downside in Li Auto. Where do you think the buyers are going to be positioned? I'm seeing an area not that far, $33. Okay, 33, possibly even 32. I would say no lower than 30. I'll probably say 28. Okay. This market was massively strong in Li Auto. And it's funny how it didn't get that much attention in the news. A lot of people on social media, a lot of people on mainstream media did not even speak about how of a massive run up Li Auto did following May 24th, right? It just shot straight up 91%. So now I am going to play the weakness into the market in Li Auto. Okay, let's go ahead and drop these price predictions first. I think the lowest area that I will look for the market in Li Auto to run down towards would it be at $28 price. Okay, now, given that I told you all $28, okay, given that I said that, there's going to be some other areas above $28 that we need to nibble off of to win in the market. The first area is around 32, 33. Okay, so that's around 3 3/4% profitability, right? My second price target is going to be around $30, $30.75. Okay, that's 10.5%. And my third price target is going to be down here towards 28. All right, let's just do 29. Run it down to 29. Okay, now we will continue to play the weakness into the market in Li Auto, literally until we see the price try to break above 40. It looked like the market won't even break above, 37.50, but I'll do around 40. Okay, and that is it. Now, this week is going to be important. Like I told you earlier, if we continue to see weakness on the 2 weeks, the 3 weeks, the 5 week, the monthly time frame in Li Auto, then it's going to be real apparent. I would say high chance that the market will run down here towards $29 to $28 if we still see that weakness at the conclusion of this trading week. So just keep your eyes open for that. Just make sure I want to tell you all that too. All right, so I'm done. It's your turn to go ahead and give me your price prediction, your price target in the market for Li Auto, and tell me where you think the market is going to go as we trade throughout the month of August. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.